Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kaitlynrain. Welcome. This video is going to be a collab with Kellie Nicole. We're both going to be showing you how to get looks using the Too Faced chocolate bar palette. So if you want to know how to get this look, just keep on watching. Before I prime my eyes, I just wanted to say I used my Benefit brow pencil and the Ardell brow gel for my brows. For my eyes, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Autofocus Concealer. And I'm just going to take my Mikasa E300 brush and blend all that out. To set our lids, I'm just going to be using the Airspun setting powder. And I'm just going to set my lid. For our first shade, I'm going to take Salted Caramel. Salted Caramel? Caramel? What do you say? Let me know in the comments below. Do you say caramel or do you say caramel? I'm going to bring that a little above the crease, like so. Bring that in. You're going to want to really blend it out. For our next shade, I'm going to go in a little darker and I'm going to take Milk Chocolate. I'm going to bring that a little below that shade. Back in with my M441 brush and just blend them on top together. Back in with Milk Chocolate. Bring it in like that. And pack it. Blend it as much as you like it blended. Does that make sense? Probably not. We're gonna take semi-sweet. Just gonna pack that on the outer V. Cut our crease with some concealer. I'm so glad I went down, but the other day I freaking got bit by on my eye by a damn mosquito. I can't believe I just got bit on the eye. I'm gonna go in with Cherry Cordial. Just gonna put that all over our lid. Purple Fudge looks like this. I'm just gonna blend those together. Taking semi-sweet on the back, that. Flat brush and some setting spray. We're gonna take Blackberry Truffle and we're just gonna pack that on. Take white chocolate. Looks like this. I'm just gonna put that up in the brow area. Usually I like to go in with a color corrector just because I haven't been sleeping well. I can't find that. So we're just gonna go in with the Photo Focus Concealer right here. For foundation, I'm gonna be using the Milani 2-in-1. Or I'm gonna be taking my NYX contour palette. Going back to the eyes, I'm gonna take semi-sweet. Yeah, I'm gonna take semi-sweet. Lipstick, I'm taking Nude Embrace by Maybelline. You can leave it like this, but I'm gonna add a little bit of gloss. I'm gonna use the Becca Liquid Crystal Lip Topper Gloss. A Maybelline Master Fix, and just that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to check out Kellie's video. It's linked down below, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!